Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can edit your cover video or edit the whole thumbnail of your video in CapCut PC. So when you save the video and searching for the file will be easy, just look at the cover image. So for example, it's going to select this video. So you can adjust for the cover video, just click on this icon and icon to edit cover. You can select from the video to make it as a cover, or you can select from your um, folder. Just click local and select image to right. Click complete. There you go. This is the cover of the video. So when you save it and searching for the file will be easy because just look at the cover image. I hope this information was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.